to turn your head away. 'Cause what I'm gonna talk about, nobody wants to be without. Makes no difference who you are or what color you happen to be. As long as you're alive and breathing, this has got to be one of your needs.
That hurts, I know. You did the right thing, you licked it right away. That's the only thing you can do.
That's all you can do.
It's sweet and it's good, but it's hot.
Something else.
Yeah, for real. Burn you or something?
Yeah. This is
It's just a little battle wound. It's part of being in here. Sorry, though. I didn't mean it.
We good. You got 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need jasmine rice. You got a salad. How many salads you got over there? How you doing, brother? Pretty good. Good. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Peace. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hopefully next time you get to try it out. The Grilled Fraiche food truck.
Oh, are you leaving?
Yeah. We apologize. We'll come next Wednesday. This is our first time here today.
Oh, okay.
This is our first time.
Any jerk chicken?
Yes, you got the antique and jerk right there.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, my wife's parents live in the Caribbean.
Okay.
And Grand Cayman. So
you're right.
Usually like once a year we'll go down there and
check it out, huh?
I love that jerk chicken.
Are you at the gym over here? Or are you just okay?
But I
Yeah.
also work over here too.
Oh, dope. Yeah, next Wednesday we're gonna come out. Today is Thursday. We tried it out for the first time and people love it. They love the experience. So, we want to bring some good food and great customer service.
All right. Well, maybe I'll check it out next Wednesday.
Thank you, brother.
All right,
Peace. Nice meeting you. Have a good day.
I was born in a barn. Mama died and daddy got drunk. Left me here to die alone in the middle of Tobacco Road. Grew up in a rusty shack. All I had was hanging on my back. Only you know how I loathe this place called Tobacco Road.
This is a regular day on a food truck, man. You never know what's going to happen. Every day is something new.
It's still not gonna beat.
It's not going to beat us, for sure. We're going to get this cracking, and we're going to serve these nice people waiting and give them a real food experience, man. So basically, our battery died last night because we left the backlight on. I left the backlight on the end. I'll take responsibility. And we had to replace the battery today. So our neighbor took. Oh, okay, he got shocked. He missed that. Did you catch that? Because that was fireworks. We just missed some good fire. You all right, bro?
I saw the flash.
Be careful, man. Be absolutely careful.
Did you touch the other one?
And she said, I see one of the dreads catch on fire, low kid. You see the spark on the dread? Come on, Peace. We all rooting for you out here.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Peace and love. We got.
We're gonna give away some free egg rolls, man. People done waited out here. 15, 20 minutes. But you see the support? They are literally waiting for us to fix the problem. We love it. Thank you, everybody.
All right.
Peace and love. We good to go.
Come on! Hollywood! Hollywood! Don't let it beat you, baby. Don't let it beat you.
Just a second. We got it, baby. Gotta work together as a team. Gotta be positive. Gotta figure out the solution and make it work.
Well, all of our flavors. You want to eat it now? All our flavors have a Caribbean influence in them. From all our marinades to our seasoning. This is beautiful. I'm gonna shoot your bowl real quick. Hold on. I gotta shoot it. Out here getting a little sweaty, looking real out of shape, real chubby, you know. But you know, I'm just a chef. So every day is another day to get better, man. Handed a few buckets out. Ready to get back home. It's all good. Today just wasn't the day, man. Let's go get on this truck and see if we can get some shots to drop.
Might go get some buckets.
Get some buckets. What that mean, Steph?
And then knock them tickets out.
Knock them tickets down. You're like, what you doing with them bowls, man? Pull them tickets down. That's a bucket. Every time you rip a ticket down, it's a bucket. Don't be holding 4 bowls to get them all out at the same time. Knock those tickets down. Let's get these buckets in. Grilled Fraiche.
Now all we gotta do is find the keys. Always losing the keys.
How you lose the keys with an outfit like that? A dude with an outfit like that,
You lose the keys all the time, man. Crazy.
never lose the keys. It's a sick fit you got on there, bro. Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Okay. So look, are these inside out?
No, that's how they come.
Oh, okay. Hey, you got another chicken down there, bro? Let's pull it out. Stay stocked up. Man, just getting these buckets. This is what I was talking about when I'm talking about getting buckets. Every time you pull one down, it's getting a bucket. Getting buckets. Getting buckets.
Grilled vegetables, ran out of grilled vegetables. Ran out of grilled vegetables. Y'all ran out?
We ain't got no more water, dude.
Shit, we don't have no more. We don't. Nah. We might not have enough for none. We're working on it right now. We don't have enough for none. No more shrimp.
Quinoa's gone. We're down to the last 10 orders of shrimp. Get ready to run back to the kitchen to re-up, get some more. I hate it, okay? I hate it. We need a bigger truck so I never run out. I hear people always bragging about being sold out. I never want to be sold out. I want to give the people a food experience. So I'm not excited about being sold out. Although there is a gratification about, you know, people loving